Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a dinosaur skull. I thought this would be kind of a cool idea where we're getting closer and closer to Halloween. Maybe this would be a little bit of a spooky thing to learn to draw. Alright, so before we get started and I start showing you how to draw the dinosaur skull, feel free to take a moment to like this video or to press the subscribe button so that you'll know next time when we have another Daily Doodle tomorrow. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to start by drawing where its eye would be. Now, none of these shapes have to be perfect. It's not like anybody really has a dinosaur skull that they're going to be comparing it to. I know I certainly don't own one. But also, again, it's not about being perfect. It's about having fun and drawing something. Alright, so that's its little spot where the eye would be. Now, down underneath it, I'm going to do a little line like that. And now above it, kind of like where an eyebrow would be. Now I'm going to go to a little bit of a wobbly line. None of these lines need to be straight. None of these lines need to be perfect. So feel free to give your lines a little bit of a shake, a little bit of a wobble. Okay? None of it needs to be precise. Go up like that a little bit and connect it down there. And I'm going to keep on going there from the eyebrow-ish area. Now, we're going to continue from here a little bit. And go down this way. Okay, like that. Now, going to do a little line like this. Keep going, and connect it to this area, like that. Now a little bit down past where the eye would be, we're going to do a little spot like this. Not quite a circle, but just like a little blob. Like a little circle, but like a little indent kind of area. And color that in black. And then I'm going to give that a little bit of definition there with a little line by it. And feel free too to do a few little crack marks. Like maybe it was cracked from the age. Little cracks here and there. And these little crack marks can be all over the place. Over there, all over the place. Now, I'm going to go down a little bit further from there, and this is where like his little nostril would be, if the dinosaur was still alive. Okay, like that. Now, we're going to come on down a little further, like that. Give this spot a little bit more definition. And down a little bit further, and right here I'm going to give him his like other eyebrow-ish area. It's kind of on the other side of his head there. Now right here I'm going to do little grooves because this is where just above where his teeth are. He's got like little groovy spots here. Just going to connect. And now I'm going to do lots of sharp looking teeth. So maybe some are going to be bigger than others. Maybe some are going to look a little sharper than others. It's all up to you. Okay, so he's going to have a little bit of a gap here. So I'm going to draw here, and this is going to be more wavy, bumpy, groovy line here. Okay. I'm going to come on down this way. Like that. And we're going to go on up with it. And connect it there. So you feel free to make all kinds of little groove marks and little crack marks. This was probably found underneath the ground, and it was probably in the ground for years and years and years and years and years. So it's not gonna look perfect. Now, more teeth, bottom teeth. And all kinds of different sizes. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to put a little line back here. I'm going to color this in black. This is the back of his mouth here now. Alright, so now before I start coloring, I'm going to add in some more like little spots of like definition and some more little cracks. And put them all over the place. Maybe this dinosaur skull was found in a couple pieces and some people had to put them back together or something. Like a great big puzzle. Alright, so I think I'm going to start in with some color now. So this is a beige color. This is actually E31 in a copic sketch, but you don't have to use this exact color. Just use whatever color you want to do. And I know lots of times when people think of a skull, they think of, well, like white bones. But maybe he isn't exactly a super duper clean skull. Maybe he's been under the ground for a really, really long time, and maybe he's a bit dirty. Maybe he's aged a bit. So we're gonna put in a bit of color here, a bit of beige. I'll probably use a bit of gray, and we'll see what it looks like then after our coloring is all finished. I think he'll be a lot nicer looking with a bit of color on him. I think usually stuff looks a lot better after the coloring is done. But like I said, you don't have to do the exact colors I'm doing. It's all up to you. I'm just here to give you a bit of help. I'm going to go in with a gray now. This is a W5 warm gray in Copic Sketch. Just in case you're wondering. I'm going to give the teeth here a bit of shadow. Over some of these other spots that I already used beige with. Not every single one, but just some. And how do I know which spots to put gray and which spots to put beige? I don't. I'm just having fun with it. So I'm just going all over the place here. There's no real rules. Just coloring in whatever I want to color in. Alright, so I think that's it. I think we are done with our daily doodle for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this how to draw a dinosaur skull video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and please feel free to subscribe. That really helps out the channel. Now folks, I would love to see you back here tomorrow for another daily doodle. So go on and have a good day and have fun drawing, and I'll see you next time. Alright, bye bye!